Embarking on a safe and family-fun road trip, Octobo makes a great travel companion. Traveling with Octobo is easy and he makes a perfect passenger. He can also double as a pillow. You can easily pack him up in your baggage. Though he's filled with different tech, it's simple to store him in your luggage and he's super flexible. When packing Octobo, we suggest removing his batteries and your device. You can fold his arms along his body, and even store his hat where you usually place the device. This helps make Octobo even more compact and able to fit in tight spaces. For tips on how to store Octobo's tokens, check out our other tips and tricks video. And you're all set to jet! Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found this tip helpful, and we'll see you soon!